and pleasant good morning to all of you. Here I am Amisha, a BBA student, and here I am going to present a presentation about types of marketing. But before that, I would like to express my gratitude to our Sujit sir, who has given me this opportunity to present my views among all of you. So let's start. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is marketing. So marketing is the art and science of choosing the target market so that we can keeping and growing and creating the more customers by many innovative ideas and strategy and many more such types of product or services which was demanded by our customers or consumers. So there are two types of marketing: traditional marketing and modern marketing. So first of all, I would like to tell you about traditional marketing. So traditional marketing refers to the that types of marketing which uses conventional or old thumb rule, like it does not value the customer satisfaction. It only focuses on sells the product, and it's only focused or only targeted the audience who has the मेथड जो हमेशा पुराने जमाने से चलते आ रहा है, कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडियाज स्ट्रेटजीज में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता है। और इसमें इन्वॉल्व है लाइक आउटडोर. So outdoor marketing refers to the targeted only the whole large types of marketing, like we often see the hoardings, posters and banners on the road, and most of the time we get to know about the new product or services by those hoardings or banners. So that was the marketers want to, or that was the marketers goal, so that we are aware about the new products or services. The second one will be print. So print media uses like newspapers, magazines. Nowadays we do not prefer these newspapers or magazine to gain the information. We usually notices the online platform to gain information about any new things. But in traditional type or in previous but many old age or people uses these types like newspapers or magazines to get the information about many various things like any new product or services. And the next one will be direct. Direct, I can give you an example. Like I'm personally, I used to write the things. So if I want the feedback about my poems or stories, then I would directly talk or discuss about this thing about my friends or family to give me the feedback, or to give me how it was, so that I can get to know that how I am writing or how it is. So to direct communication through face-to-face interaction or mails or calls. And the fourth one will be event marketing. We usually organize the event like concerts or music concerts, or like many new movies. Like many actors and directors goes to the various TV shows to promote their new movies, so that the viewers or audience to get the know that this movie has launched, or we should go and see that movie. And the next one is the electric marketing. So electric marketing refers to the share the information through television, radios. Like we often see any program on the television, and there is get and we often get the ads about any new product or services. Like we often get new types of ads, or new product that is developed in the market. We get to know about that ads on the television or radios. And the second type of modern marketing refers to the methods which involves the new strategy and ideas. It does not involve the old thumb rule. It's only focused on the customer satisfaction, or customer what customer demanded for the product or what customer needs. And it includes search engine marketing. So often when we search anything on the anything on the search engine like Chrome or Microfax. So we often get any types of like we search any product related to like any biscuit or pen. So there is so much related that products or name or that comes like new product has launched like cello pen or any type of it's come on the page front page so that we get to know about that product or that company. And the next will be social media marketing. Social media like Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. We often post any new reels or new videos about we purchase the new car, so we show off about the new company or new company or anything new that we can show the others that this company or this company or this platform has engaged me about the product like I purchased the car of Sonata or Tata. So I would like to give you the information about that. I purchased the car about Tata, and this is like that features, and it is that advantages or disadvantages. So this third one will be content marketing. So we generally write the content about like blogs or tweets on the Twitter about any perspective, our perspective about any new product or anything like what we feel about any product or if I want to promote any product, then I will also write any blogs or tweets on the Twitter to get the others know about that product or services. So the fourth one will be affiliate marketing. It is like partnership with other company. Like Byju's has owns the Akash. Like Akash get the benefited about the Byju's. Like Byju's and Akash both are the very popular or we can say demanded company. So they both get the profit about each other half behalf of each other. So the last one will be display marketing. When we usually scroll anything on the social media or any website, we often get to know about the new products by getting the ads, by getting the new ads about the like Flipkart or anything like any new products or which had get in the market or launched in the market. So here I would like to conclude my presentation by saying that we often know or we often heard that two is better than one. Like एक से भला दो. So when we apply both types like modern marketing and the traditional marketing by the best and efficient way, we get to know the customers, we get to know customers' ideas about the product, or we will able to satisfy our customers. So that's all. Thank you.